What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turn this Hot Wheel into a keychain. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's get this thing opened up and we'll get started. Try and keep it nice. I don't want to destroy the packaging, not that I'm ever going to reuse it, but you know. So, got my car, my drill. I have using a 1/16 inch drill bit, and I like to find a spot on the rear. I like them hanging from the bottom, so I like to find a spot somewhere. I usually go between the bumper and the license plate area. Okay, we got our hole. I bought these eyelets off of Amazon. Just take this eyelet, thread it into the back of the car. Sometimes I use a pair of pliers just to get it on there good. You have to be real careful though, because you can break them. I have broken lots of these. I just thread it in like so. I like to leave mine up and down like that. Grab me one of those. Alright, then I get my keychain and the ring. Put the ring through the eyelet. Put the chain on the ring. And I grab myself a pair of pliers. Close that ring up. Like so. And there you go. And that's how I turn ordinary Hot Wheels into keychains. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.